Welcome back, and get ready to discover the smooth and musical side of Dutch pronunciation. In this lesson, we explore the Dutch triftongs, those special vowel sounds that glide through 3 gentle movements in a single breath. They make Dutch sound clear, rounded, and natural. Let us begin. The first one is eeuw. It flows like ei, den, den, the. Start with your mouth slightly open, as if you are saying the English word, say. Move softly into and finish by rounding your lips for the. You can hear it in leeuw, meaning lion, meeuw, meaning seagull, and sneeuw, meaning snow. When you say leeuw, let it glide in one smooth movement, not as separate pieces. Next is eeuw. This sound begins with e, moves gently to and finishes with they. Start with a bright, long e, relax slightly to and round your lips softly at the end. Listen to it in nieuw, meaning new, and kieuw, meaning gill. The sound stays continuous, as in nieuw, with no breaks between vowels. Then comes uw. It starts deep with u, opens to and closes softly with the. Keep your lips rounded throughout this glide. You can hear it in uw, meaning your, blauw, meaning blue, and trouw, meaning loyalty or marriage. This sound gives Dutch its warm and calm tone. The next one is ai. It begins with an open a, stretches smoothly into a, and finishes with ei. Your mouth opens wide, then gently narrows into a soft smile. You will hear it in hai, meaning shark, draai, meaning turn, and mai, meaning mow. It feels like one long, flowing movement from open to bright. Now we move to oi. It starts with o, deepens into oo, and ends with a light a. Begin with rounded lips for o. Move deeper into oo, and glide upward to a. This triphthong appears in mooi, meaning beautiful, and kooi, meaning kaasje. It is a graceful sound, smooth and rich, one of the most pleasant tones in Dutch. Finally, we come to oei. This sound travels from oe to to a. Start with a round oe, open slightly to and close again into a. You will hear it in groei, meaning growth, boei, meaning buoy, and in the little exclamation oei, which Dutch people use when something surprising or sudden happens. Each of these sounds is made in one single glide. Your voice moves like a wave. Soft at the start, smooth in the middle, and clear at the end. Dutch trifthongs are short, expressive, and full of melody. They add warmth and character to the way Dutch words flow. Listen to them once again. Eeuw, eeuw, uw, ai, oi, oei. Practice slowly, listen carefully, and feel how your mouth changes shape as each sound moves from one vowel to the next. That is how Dutch gains its rhythm, its tone, and its beauty. Keep Dutching. Dag.